Once upon a time, a king was hunting in the forest and he got lost. While he was lost, he stumbled upon a cottage and went inside. I will offer you a deal. I will show you the way out to the forest if you marry my daughter.
I accept.
So you marry my daughter?
Yep.
Later that day, they were married and the king introduced his children, 6 boys and 1 girl to be exact. The king had brought his 7 children to a lonely castle in the middle of the woods, fearing the safety of them. The castle was so hard to find that he had to use a magical ball of yarn, which the witch had gave him before to get back out of the woods. Where have you been?
I just went out for a walk, so it's a nice day.
I don't think so. I will figure out your secret somehow. I will get this man, find out his secrets. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we will be back soon with valuable information.
I hope so, servants. Ha ha ha.
As promised, the servants went into the woods, but came back empty-handed. So the queen went into the woods herself. Deep in the woods, she made 6 little shirts of white silk and sewed a charm inside of them. Then she continued her way into the forest.
Wait. That's a long charm.
Oh, hey.
Ooh.
As soon as the silk hit the boys, they were instantly turned into swans. The queen went home thinking she got rid of her stepchildren, but the girl was still out there.
Quack.
One day later, the king went to see his children, but immediately panicked when he couldn't find them in the castle.
What the heck?
The king went to see his children, but immediately panicked when he couldn't find them in the castle. He did, though, find his daughter hiding and took her back to the castle. Too good.
I cannot stay here
Right.
with my evil stepmother. I must go seek my brothers.
The lonely girl ran away that night into the forest and searched until she came to a cottage.
Hello, sister. Welcome.
You must not stay here. A band of robbers live here, and they will kill you.
Okay. I will not let one word or chuckle slip from my mouth until the future 6 years. Goodbye.
Okay, so the girl ran off and collected starwort for the 6 shirts. Days later, a king and his men saw the girl on a tree.
Come down from that tree.
The girl shook her head, but the king came up to the tree and carried her out and onto a horse to go to his kingdom. The king asked every possible question that came to his mind to the maiden girl, but she replied every time with endless silence. The man loved her and they got married. The king's mother was very wicked and did not approve of his marriage.
You will not marry this woman. She doesn't even talk.
I don't care. I've already married her and you can't interfere.
You will pay for this.
A year had passed, and the queen and the king had their first child, a girl. While they slept, The wicked mother of the king took the child away and smeared the queen's lips with blood.
Nope.
Dun, dun,
That's
dun.
unpleasant.
This woman is a man-eater.
I don't believe you one bit. She would never do such a thing. Our child.
Sorry. The king and the queen had another child, and the wicked mother did what she did before to the previous one. She took the child away and smeared blood on the queen's lips. Dun, dun, dun.
Oops. See, I told you your wife is a man-eater. Her lips are smeared with blood.
The king couldn't support his wife after no evidence of innocence, so...
I am to announce that the queen is a man-eater, so later this afternoon she will be burned to death.
The queen had all 6 shirts made and carried them as she went into the village ready to be burned. Just as the fire was to be lighted, 6 swans flew out of nowhere and swooped her up into the air. They flew into the forest and landed. The queen threw the starboard shirts at them, and the swords sacrificed.
Dun dun dun.
Time.
We meet again, sister.
That's a little bit creepy.
Thank you for returning us to our normal form.
Here, let me. I am so glad we ran into you.
After the siblings reunited, the queen headed back to the castle.
Hello. Hello, everyone. I wanted to tell you that I was falsely accused of innocent. That old woman cannot be trusted anymore. I knew you weren't a man-eater.
And everyone lived happily ever after. The end.
Except the evil
Blah, blah, blah.
mother.